you have to be committed and you have to have the right mentality. I call it a spark. You have to have a spark to work in a butcher shop. I'm Tommy Jones, 23, Welsh Young Butcher of the Year 2012 and hopefully 2013 this year. I started off from like the bottom in the abattoir, worked my way up all the way to the butchery section now. I've gone from like learning from farming to fork. I'm self-taught for 90% of the stuff I do. People tell me a flavour and I'll just put it together. Like the weirdest one we do is like a Coca-Cola sausage or chili and chocolate sausage.
Them sausages just look to die for. Spring onion and cheddar cheese, I've never heard of them before, so I've had to buy some.
10 roast ham, 10 boiled ham and 6 roast beef.
I started off doing joinery and carpentry. I got me level 2 MVQ for that. I come into the butchery and I've got MVQ in butchery level 2. I'm just finishing my level 3 now, going on to my level 4. Jobs Growth Wales helped me out, and I have like a training company that helped me out, which is Cambrian Training.
There you go, lovely. Thank you very much.
We work on a farm to fork basis, but we use the local markets to get the lambs and cattle and some livestock in. Killed in our own abattoir, which is PGI approved. All the beef gets hung there for 28 days before coming in the shop. If anyone wanted traceability, which is a major thing these days, they've got it there, right in front of them. So I can even give them the name of the lamb if they wanted, right, you know.
There you go. Have a lovely day.
I bought some beef today and some cooked ham. It's clean, it's spotless, and we always get nice service here.
To have 3 apprentices with me, it's a big thing for me. Like especially at a young age, not a lot of people have the opportunity to do it. Like but they enjoy it, and I enjoy teaching them. And it's nice to see, like, give somebody off the street a job, and a job that they like doing. When somebody mentions a butcher, they expect an old fat man to be at the shop window or whatever, but when they come in here and they see like me and my young crew, like, they love it. Internet is the best form of advertising. The world is your oyster. You got a massive audience, so you can just like a click away. I learn something different every day. Every day is a learning day. I want to try and make my dad proud more than anything, but like I wouldn't have done it without my mum and dad's help. Like, you know, it's my life. It is my life. I love it. Every day I wake up, I just big smile on my face, come to the shop, open the door, put the counter out, and it just gives me a good buzz in the mornings and all day. It does. It's my life. It is.